My name is Pankaj. How may I assist you today? The account holder name is Dilip Kumar Bora, and your registered mobile number is 9871786435. Yeah, so what's the main issue facing, sir? It's like an internet issue. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's a limit if your bill will be generated 1500 above, so that after that your services will be barred. In case you are Mhm. Yes, sir. 499 plus GST and plan speed is 40 Mbps, right, sir? Yes. Yeah, we are providing a information only. Sir, hmm. It's like we are providing information in case you are calling any international calling, like a ISD calling you are dialing on your landline number. That's a reason in case your bill will be above 1500 above. So that's a reason your service will be barred. So in case you are not using it, so that's not a issue, sir. That's not a big issue. We are forwarding all customers, sir, not for you, sir. Hmm. So we are that's not your invoice, sir. Only just information. We are not changing any plan here. No, it's just like a information, sir. We are providing all customers, sir, not for you, sir. That's your credit limit, sir. Yeah, so my side I'm raising a request, so you're not getting this type of message on your register mobile number, so don't worry about it, sir. Yes, sir. Um, yes. So we are not changing. So we are not changing any your plan, sir. Your same. Your bill will be generated same, 588 rupees every month, sir. So don't worry about it. And also mention your feedback, our consent team. So don't worry about it. You are not getting this type of message. No. So you are not facing in future this type of message, sir. So don't worry about it. Your billing cycle is fixed every In case you are dialing any ISG call, any on your landline number in some international calls you are dialing any. In case your bill will be above of 1500. In case, so after that your services will be barred. Yeah, your bill. No, your bill will be generated same 588 rupees, sir. Just like a information we are providing. We are not changing your any plan, sir. So your bill will be generated 24th of February in rupees of 588 rupees. Yeah, I'm directly forwarding your feedback, our concern team. So don't worry about it. You are not facing this type of message in future. In future, if you're facing any issue, you can move to Airtel. Thank you for calling us, Airtel. Your feedback makes us better every day. Thank you so much, sir. Good morning. Welcome to Airtel. My name is Pankaj. How may I assist you today? Let me check your details. Please be online. May I please confirm your registered mobile number is 7395982760. The account holder name is Mr. Pramod R. Yeah. So you basically want to know about your billing issue, right? Let me check your details. Let me check. Please be online. Yeah, sir. In case call will be dropped while we are on call in some technical issue, so we will call you back within 15 minutes. So don't have to call back again, right, sir? Yeah, as I can see, your last payment is reflecting my side 14th of February. Your make a payment in rupees of 588 rupees, right, through the Paytm. Yeah, currently your outstanding is clear, sir. No outstanding I am able to see. So don't. Okay, you want to get your invoice, right? Let me check. May I please confirm your registered email ID? That's a Pramod R2149. Please be online. So my side, I am forwarding your invoice on your registered email ID, right, sir? Please be online, sir. Please be online, sir. Please be online. It takes some time. Thank you. Please be online, sir. Thank you. Yeah, so my side, I am forwarding your invoice on your registered email ID within 30 minutes. You can get your invoice on your registered email ID, so don't worry about it, sir. And your password will be on your relationship number, your account number, sir. Yeah, in future, if you're facing any issue, you can move to Airtel. Thanks, sir. Thank you for calling us, Airtel. Your feedback makes us better every day. Thank you so much, sir. Good evening. Welcome to Airtel. My name is Pankaj. How may I assist you today? मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ, माफ़ी चाहता हूँ परेशानी के लिए। जैसे मैं चेक कर पा रहा हूँ कि आपका रजिस्टर्ड मोबाइल नंबर है 8602512674। ये देवेश राजावत के नाम से रजिस्टर अकाउंट बने रहिए। सर अगर हमारे बीच कुछ टेक्निकल इशू के कारण कॉल ड्रॉप हो जाती है, कॉल डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाती है, तो हम आपको विद इन 15 मिनट के अंदर आपको कॉल बैक कर देंगे। आपको कॉल करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, राइट सर। जैसे कि मैं चेक कर पा रहा हूँ कि आपने जो शिफ्टिंग की रिक्वेस्ट रेज कराई है 16 फरवरी को, सेम सिटी शिफ्टिंग है आपकी, गुड़गांव हरियाणा। तो हमारे इंजीनियर ने कोई भी कांटेक्ट नहीं किया अभी तक आपको? समझ पा रहा हूँ सर, 24 घंटे में तो इशू आपका रिजॉल्व हो जाना चाहिए था, लेकिन रिजॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है। निश्चिंत रहिए, मैंने आपका कंसर्न जो है कंसर्न टीम को फॉरवर्ड कर दिया है। 4 घंटे के अंदर अंदर 8 बजे से पहले पहले आज ही आपका कनेक्शन शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, निश्चिंत रहिए। सर ये मैक्सिमम समझ पा रहा हूँ सर, आपकी कंप्लेंट को मैंने हाई प्रायोरिटी बेसिस में फॉरवर्ड कर दी है। आज ही आपका कनेक्शन डेफिनेटली इशू आपका रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा सर। हमारी टीम जो है वर्क कर रही है, माफी चाहता हूँ थोड़ा समय लग रहा है, लेकिन आज 8 बजे से पहले पहले इशू आपका परमानेंटली बेसिस पे रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा सर। मैंने कंसर्न मेंशन कर दिया, निश्चित ही जल्द से जल्द पूरी कोशिश रहेगी सर। बाकी अन्य जानकारी के लिए आप एयरटेल थैंक्स ऐप का उपयोग कर सकते हैं सर। एयरटेल में कॉल करने के लिए धन्यवाद। आपका फीडबैक हमें हर दिन बेहतर बनाता है। थैंक यू सो मच सर।